Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to redeem a Google Play card from your desktop. Open your browser firstly and go to Google Play Store's website. On the left hand side of the screen, find and click on Redeem. A prompt will appear asking you to enter Google Play Cards code. Type in the code carefully. After entering the code, confirm that you want to redeem the money by clicking the Confirm button. And now, your credit is now added to your account. You can use it to make purchases in the Google Play Store or in-app purchases like games and apps. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem a Google Play card on your desktop. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next video.